I just want you guys to imagine what you can achieve in under a minute. Like in 1 minute, like you can achieve someone like can drink a coffee, or like I can see many of you have juice in front of you. And yeah, you can drink that. But let me tell you, like every 39 seconds, children lose their life to pneumonia. Every 39 seconds. So here in our project, we are trying to detect this pneumonia very early in the stages, so that they can go to the treatment, they can have proper treatment, and they can avoid those the damage they have after losing the life. So what else does this cost? Like an average median cost for the pneumonia treatment in US itself is like $17,000 as per the report, and it's like till 2012 to 2016, and it might have increased till now. Like it's 2016, now it's 2025. It might increase to 10%, starting like 25%, like 25,000 per year for a normal person to diagnose, hospitalized, and then the amount of bill they pay just to get rid of that pneumonia charges for that. And so what we built for the model is like we used a normal CNN, but that's not the end up for us. We just used a deep learning model where we give the images for them to check, and then we'll make the predictions, and probably we built a normal website for right now. But in futures we have work where we can incorporate the open source image classification models, where we can incorporate much more diseases related to the lungs itself. So once we given the chest X-ray images, it can not only detect the pneumonia, but also some other diseases, given that we can take properly for the images. So how does it work? So we have our model on the top. So we have the AI detections, like our models, and then the LLM models, which is going to come later part of our model, and then once the detection is made, we store every files as a JSON files or any kind of API files, and that will push the models to host in some AWS. Right now we have only the website, we didn't host it in the AWS, but the future plan for our model is to host something in the cloud where we can make the continuous integrations, and when we get different different data sets, we can just train on them and then have an instant results on that. It's learning how we train the models and how the website does look, like the normal install phases without the hostings on the cloud and stuff. So once you upload a gesture image on the website, it will give you a result whether it's pneumonia or not, whether it's normal images. Along with that, it has some recommendations. So right now we have just a few instructions where it can give without the medicines or all the precautions. But future we are trying to incorporate those from consulting with the doctors, where you can give them a normal prescriptions for them, so that they can have treatment not if they have let's say rural areas, you live very far from the hospitals and stuff. So you can get the predictions, and you can get the recommendations, so that you can avoid as far as the damages for them. And also it gives you some clear pictures for the doctor itself, because the trustworthy is one of the most critical factors for the doctors to trust whether they have AI models or not. So we are incorporating those explainable AI for them, so they can have a proper descriptions about the images, and what is explaining, and how the model is predicting whether it's pneumonia or not. The doctor can have a proper distance over it. Yeah, it's probably that's it. So I'm just waiting for my